Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that TAP protocol token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, TAP protocol is an innovative layer 1 solution built directly on the Bitcoin network, designed to extend Bitcoin utility beyond traditional transactions by introducing features like promises, smart contract like functionality, multi-sig capabilities, decentralized finance, and native token swaps without the need for bridge. TAP empowers developers to build advanced applications directly on Bitcoin. TAP protocol leverages Bitcoin's security and scalability, making it a reliable and efficient platform for tokenization, decentralized governance, and more. As a key player in the evolution Bitcoin ecosystem, TAP aims to revolutionize the way blockchain applications are developed, bring flexibility, programmability, and innovation to Bitcoin's core infrastructure. TAP protocol token total supply is 21 million and circulating supply is around 2 million TAP token. TAP token is listed on Gate.io, MEXC, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.